Good news, bad news, interesting news, action movie news. Todzidichi news dziri politically in Zimbabwe right now. Mnangagwa obuda mustate house achishandisa a tunnel rather than kubuda padoor. MaZimbabwe mazhinji anenge asingaunderstand iyo what are you talking about? Uri kutaura nezvechi? Muri Zimbabwe tine information itsva isusu vagari vanhu vanogara vanongori neinformation itsva because tine vanhu vari mukati memukati handiti megovernment, beautiful people, patriotic people who love their country, people who want to tell the masses mazimbabweans kuti hey, this is what's happening mukati mainteriors. Titaura kuti Mnangagwa obuda mustatus achishandisa tunnel. Why would Mnangagwa use a tunnel kubuda mustate house achitadza kungoshandisa mota dzake nemasecurity ake? Because something is happening mune Zimbabwe, because pane vapinda pastate house avo vari kuvhundusa mukomana, avo vanowana nemapowers, vanowana neinfluence, vari kudiwa nevanhu vekuti there are so many people behind them. Jira panopinda mustate house, vanhu vari mukati mestate house, ingava security yaMnangagwa, ingava this department of the government or whatever, vari kumake sure kuti Mnangagwa, the president, is safe. They are actually bowing down to the new people vapinda mukati mestate house, zvachikonzera kuti Mnangagwa abude nemutaneo. Muri Zimbabwe tine information right now iri kupinda kwatiri kutiudza kuti isusu as a matter of fact zvakatanga zvichinzi izvo half of the presidential guard are actually principled men and women, are actually people with real ideology still standing on the ground that chakaindigwa kuhondo nemacomrades is what we're going to hold in our hearts until the end. One of them is one vote, one man, one vote. The distribution of land to the African people, and also equally even to the European descendants who are in Africa. Like, kana uri murungu, uri mZimbabwe, you are actually Zimbabwean, and you actually have a right and deserve something from the land distribution. If you are in that position or timing, you also get something. And that's beautiful, that's good, that's what we want, that's democracy, that's love, that's unity. So chiri kuitika muri Zimbabwe, chiri kuitika masecrets, chiri kuitika deserves to be told to the people as it is, so that the people never get lost. Handiti, so that vanhu vemuzimbabwe havarasiki. Kana titaura kuti Mnangagwa obuda mustate house achishandisa tunnel, right? Muri Zimbabwe tiri kunzwa kuti isusu vasvika pastate house masoja, maretired generals, kana kuti a group which was sent by the ZDF, Zimbabwe Defense Forces, even General Matatu didn't know about it. Right, apa ndipo makuona this is drama happening in Zimbabwe. Kana kuchinzi General Matatu, both General Matatu is regarded by a lot of soldiers, by a lot of generals and retired generals as if he's an implant, akaplandwa as the ZDF commander by President Mnangagwa. Vanenge vachitesa General Matatu vachiti no, this guy is not qualified, so vari kuvaita inonzi sideline him. But toziva kuti General Matatu have been vocal, have stood his ground, have said some things zvakafanana nekuti General Matatu have actually been against Mnangagwa publicly, toiti publicly kauti militarily inside the insiders circle. General Matatu Varkunzi have been, criticizing Mnangagwa, and they have said also about the fact that the Amendment Bill number 3, it's okay if it goes through the amendment, through the referendum. The same exact words anonzi akataurwa na retired General Valerius Vanda. Muri kupika pattern muri Zimbabwe. Are you starting to understand this whole thing? Are you starting to understand where we are as a nation, as Zimbabwe? Because when you start to pick up my statements akafaniwa kubva kuma retired generals and also kubva kuma generals who are serving right now, you start understanding that, okay, so the whole problem, the whole mistake or the whole confusion is actually being caused by a very few people. Vanhu vari kutishungurudza semazimbabweans havasviki kana 50 wakuti unoti chifamily chaMnangagwa Emerson pachake, maybe vana vake of course maybe they support him, but you might find out even pavana vake pane vamwe vasingatosupport izvo zvisina basa. Pane vamwe vari kusapota sustainable ways, sustainable rules, sustainable things, zvinhu zvinoita kuti tive pano as a civilization, as a society for the longest times. Fighting against each other, thinking that you are superior against others is not sustainable, because everybody will catch up with you, will see you, will observe you, and see that actually there's nothing superior about you. So where do you think that philosophy of yours will go? You see, ndo pati ichitaura zveisu tiri kubhalansisa Zimbabwe, tiri kubhalansisa zvinhu zvese. So tiri kuda kutarisa mhuri yeZimbabwe tichiti isusu kana tichitaura kuti isusu kana tichitaura isusu kuti Mnangagwa obuda muState House achishandisa tunnel, tiri kuti papinda magenerals anosanganisira vana Valerius Vanda, anosanganisira General Matatu, anosanganisira mamwe macomrade asingazikamwe, zviri kunzi vapinda vese, chikwata chese chapinda paState House zvavhundusa Mnangagwa. Izvo zviri kunzi vanga vachiuya to face Mnangagwa and tell him ma-issues that are burning mukati meZANU-PF. Hatisi kuzotara ma-issues aya because haana kuzotaurwa, because musangano hauna kuzoitika, because Mnangagwa angatiza. But Zimbabwe, this is new information. These are updates. Ndo anonzi ma-updates when it comes to politics, when it comes to Zimbabwean politics. So what do you think, mhuri Zimbabwe? Do you think Mnangagwa is supposed to stay and answer these questions? Do you think Mnangagwa actually made a good move? Maybe if he would have stayed, pangadai pane mabigger quarrels, angadai achikoza even bigger instabilities in Zimbabwe, and consequently in the region, the SADC region, vana South Africa, vana Botswana, vana Mozambique. Or do you think even vana Mozambique pachavo vari kupretenda senge vane peace, vari kupretenda senge vane stability, but in reality vese ava they are compromised? Right, mhuri Zimbabwe. So ndo paunoona kuti ma-Africans don't understand the power of an ordinary African. So kana uchidhauta kuti muZimbabwe kuenda kuMozambique, kuenda kuBotswana, kuenda kupi, vese ava there's a compromised governments. So where are the people to rise up and take over? Maybe vana Botswana they are good, maybe vana South Africa they're good, but what about these ones that you actually think they are bad and believe they are bad, like Botswana, like Zimbabwe itself, like Malawi, like Mozambique? Where are the people? Why wouldn't the people rise and take over and balance this thing according to the people's rule? If the people, even in countries where the people took over, did we end up having peace and stability? Or you end up seeing good, somebody actually took over from the people and messed up and made it actually even worse because people are greedy. Pasina izvozvo mhuri yeZimbabwe, pasina izvozvo ma-Africans. So tiri kuti isusu ngatibatanei, ngatidananei, ngatimeke sure kuti transparency iripo, ngatimeke sure kuti democracy iripo, ngatimeke sure kuti we love and respect each other, we establish something that is real, something that is sustainable, something that satisfies everybody's heart, males and females, regardless of the age, regardless of the color of the skin. And remember, Trimu Africa, we are also Africans. That's unity. That's all of us. So, mhuri Zimbabwe and everybody across the region, thank you for watching. We love you. We respect you. Thank you for being part of this movement, for being part of the family. Thank you. Love and respect.